Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video, we will solve week assignment number 7 of the course Gender and Literature. So at first we will solve non-graded, okay? So this consists of in total of 5 questions. Question number 1 is the fair and handsome advertisement featuring Shah Rukh Khan is in a way a reconfiguration of essentialist gendered behavior by. So the answer will be option number A for question number 1. Okay, debranding of the commodity from being essentially female and rebranding it as masculine. Okay, for question number 2, in the fair and handsome advertisement, the wrestler is reprimanded for putting on a female fairness cream. What could be the gendered implications of this? So the answer will be D for this question. Okay, both option number A and C are correct. For question number 3, the fair and handsome advertisement would not generate the desired effect in a white space, which is suggestive of. So the answer will be option number D. Okay, both B and C. For question number 4, the Yorkie chocolate advertisement is an ironic reinforcement of stereotypical gender roles. What necessitated such an interpretation? So again, answer will be all of the above options are correct. So question number 5 is the Pepsi Max advertisement stresses on the idea that men can take anything, which throws light on dash. So answer will be option number D. Okay, all the above options are correct. So moving to the graded one. So the grade total of 10 number of questions, and we will start it from question number 1. So question number 1 is the theoretical premise of the study of gender and literature consists of. Options are identity, ideology, society, all of the above. So answer for this question will be all of the above. Okay, question number 2 is what happens when one brands a product. Options are one transforms an object into a commodity. Option number B is one transforms a commodity into an object. Option number C is one does not make any ideological changes to the material world. And option number D is no significant change takes place. So answer will be one transforms an object into a commodity. Okay. Question number 3 is consumerism depends on dash. Options are social value systems, anthropological qualities, cultural conditions, all of the above. So answer will be all of the above for question number 3. Okay. Question number 4 is space constructs gender identities through dash. So manipulation, affect, material change, or none of the above. So answer for question number 4 will be option number B, that is affect. Okay. Question number 5 is masculinity depends on. Option number A is political and cultural conditions. Option number B is biological conditions. Option number C is spiritual conditions. And option number D is material conditions. Okay. So the correct answer for question number 5 will be option number A, that is political and cultural conditions. Okay. Question number 6 is gender is entangled with dash, class, caste, identity, all of the above. So answer will be all of the above. Okay. Question number 7 is as per the Godfather, masculinity is defined by one's allegiance towards fraternity, friendship, work, or family. So it will depends on family. Okay. Question number 8 is the Yorkie advertisement relates the fact that women are vulnerable to flattery. Men are vulnerable to flattery. Both men and women are vulnerable to flattery. Neither men nor women are vulnerable to flattery. So the answer will be option number C. Both men and women are vulnerable to flattery. Okay. Question number 9 is both Pepsi Max and Yorkie are ineffectual commodities, super commodities, obsolete commodities, not commodities at all. So it is super commodities. Okay. So moving to the last question, question number 10 is the consumerism of fairness claims depends on chemical composition, biological effects, rebranding or public opinion. So before telling you the correct answer for question number 10, I am requesting you to please like the video if it helps you to score good marks in the assignments, and please share the video with native ones. Okay. So the answer for question number 10 will be public opinion. So students, we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.